Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about Mara, and Riot, the two Bitcoin miners that I love to trade specifically because of their volatility. Mara did retest this previous top and it was not able to break above it. We did pull back, and if we look at Nvidia, which tends to lead the market, you'll notice it pulled back at a previous top. It pulled back twice now, got rejected. If this doesn't break out, the market as a whole might see a pullback yet again, because the last time we saw Nvidia up here, we actually went on a 1 month downtrend. Pretty much the whole month of April, this thing trended to the downside. So if that happens, we'll see the market come down as well. QQQ, same thing, you saw it trend to the downside. SPY as well. So keep an eye on Nvidia. That's the one I like to keep an eye on for a measure of market strength more than anything. So Riot, same thing. It's still a buy under $10. We did buy it under 10 and we flipped it because we saw that it could not break above this previous candle high at 1042. So we got out and we'll be looking to buy back in under $10. This thing has been trending downward for a while now, since the end of February. This thing has been falling and has yet to have this huge run up like it's done so in the past. So for the time being, I think it's best to exercise patience, wait for it to come under 10, maybe even 9 is what I'm looking for, and we'll look to reload for another swing trade, be it a 1 or 2 day swing trade or a 6 month swing trade. It's going to depend entirely on how the market as a whole moves. Mara as well, same thing, same pattern, has not had these huge moves like it did here and here. It has been trending to the downside, and right now, because it did get rejected, I would expect more downside to come in, and we'll look to load on the dip. Before I let you go, let me load up TradingView. I know some of you have made money buying Riot under $10 because that's my price target. If it's under $10, it's a buy, it's a steal, and you hold it for $12, $15, or possibly another run to 20. But because Bitcoin has been trending to the downside here, we're just playing the trend. What do I mean by that? Okay, yes, I get it. The trend is to the downside, right? Here's the channel that it's in. Okay, so we try to buy the bottom of the channel and then flip it and then rinse and repeat until we break out of that channel and start going higher and trending to the upside like we've done here, or even way back here. I mean, when it runs, that's when you want to get in miners and just ride it up. But for the time being, we're still kind of, we're still going down. So we're just swinging it for 1 to 2 days. It gets to the top of the channel, we sell, and then we rinse and repeat. So keep an eye on Bitcoin as well, especially Bitcoin tends to follow Bitcoin. Miners tend to follow Bitcoin, but don't get me wrong, I've seen miners go down even with Bitcoin is ripping because the market as a whole is coming down. So that's why I was saying keep an eye on Nvidia as